Trimming pottery is where precision meets patience, and in these videos, we see that process come to life. The first video shows an incredibly soothing trimming session, where each rotation of the wheel and every touch of the tool shaves away thin layers of clay. It's a meditative process, transforming a rough, uneven form into a perfectly balanced piece. The sound of the blade gliding across the surface and the rhythmic motion create a calming, almost therapeutic effect. In the second video, we witness the traditional trimming of Jianshui Zitao pottery, renowned for its fine clay and smooth texture. Here, every stroke is deliberate, guided by years of practice. The artisan's steady hands refine the shape with precision, ensuring the walls are even, the curves flawless, and the base perfectly aligned. This stage is critical, not just for aesthetics but also for balance and durability once the piece is fired. Together, these videos reveal the artistry and discipline behind pottery trimming. It's a reminder that even the simplest actions, performed with care and skill, can elevate a raw form into an elegant work of art. This is where craftsmanship turns clay into timeless beauty.